G'day guys, it's Dutchy. As you all know, my 5-inch gauge railway is going to have a water crossing. Building the pond has been, well, a pain in the arse at best. But it's finally finished, and in this episode, we're going to look at the rest of the construction. If you like content about mini trains, whatever scales they may be, give this video a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button and hit the bell. It'd help me out heaps. Welcome to the Mill Railway Company. Before we go out the front, I've decided to switch the black out for an orange. Let me know in the comments what you think.
This large rock here is going to be a seat of sorts, so the kids can dangle their legs in the pond. This rock is going to be the primary rock that the water flows off of for the waterfall.
The pond has been a lot of work so far. The base of it's practically finished, and as you can see in the middle here, we're slowly working our way up the waterfall, and yeah, should be looking good when it's done.
I met David through a Facebook page that I'm a member of. He and his wife Lisa run Sydney Waterscapes together. I got on with them fairly well and spent a fair bit of time outside talking to them. My pond is finished now and it's beautiful, and I'd be happy to recommend them to anyone who wants a pond. The black thing that you're watching David prepare here is the outlet for the waterfall. Pressure cleaning. Is there anything more relaxing to watch? I love watching the natural colours of the rocks come through. One of the services that Sydney Waterscapes provides is vegetation, and Lisa's choice in plant life was absolutely amazing. This is the first water over the waterfall. We've got a hose up the top just to start filling up the pond. There's a little bit in the bottom already. Here you can see the water running down the rocks, the bottom of the pond starting to fill up slowly. Let's speed that up a little. Nobody has the time to watch a whole pond fill. Look at those smiles. Even though the pond wasn't finished, they couldn't wait to dangle their feet in the water. Here you can see the lights that we installed. We're just running a test on them, cycling through the colours, seeing if everything is working properly. Well, that's the pond. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.